Hi, this is Sumit and you are watching Knowledge Modulation. Today in this video, we're going to learn how to deploy your own server which you can use as web hosting server or you can deploy any other server, whatever you want. So without wasting time, let's continue to the video. So just go to the aws.amazon.com and you have to create your own account. So click on the create a new AWS account. Enter your detail, that is the email address. You have to create your own password. Just confirm password and you have to write your AWS account name that will be appear on your management console. So just fill all the details and just click on continue. After that you will appear the next page that you have to fill your personal information. Just click on the account type personal and you have to fill all the details, that is your address, your mobile number, your location properly. Once you're done, you have to click on next. After that you will receive one payment confirmation page. You have to enter your credit card or debit card detail. Amazon is free of cost for the first 1 year, but you have to enter all the details. It will reduce only 2 rupees from your account and it will credit it back once you done with your account. Once you fill the details, you will receive one OTP, bank OTP, and you have to process the OTP. Click on submit. Once you submit, you will receive that your account has been successfully created, and you have to enter your mobile number. So it will send one OTP to your mobile number and confirm your contact number. Enter OTP and verify code. So it will verify your mobile number. Now you will see three options: basic plan, developer plan, and the business plan. You have to go with the basic plan because it is the only option for the free tier, and it will give you the basic services 24/7. So just go with the basic plan. Now I'm just putting this information, my role is and all this, because I'm interested in this role, and if Amazon will going to launch some services, they will inform me. If you're not interested, just keep it as it is and just click on sign in to the console. Now we're done with the sign up, and now we have to click on the sign into the console. Once we click on the sign in console, we'll redirect to the Amazon page where we can choose services, and we are interested in EC2 instances. So click on EC2. Now we will get one error that your service sign up is almost complete, but thanks for signing up with AISPL. Your service may take up to 24 hours to fully activate it. It will take some time to load our services. Then we have to wait for the 5 to 10 minutes and then we will try again. So just click on the EC2 instances and just click on running instances. Now the page is visible and we have to click on the launch instance to launch a new instance. It will show you the various iOS files, images. It includes Amazon Linux AMI images, also Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8 AMI, and many other, because there are Ubuntu OS and Microsoft servers are there. So depending on your interest, you have to choose the image. Also, the point to be noted that you have to select only free tier image, otherwise it will may charge you. I'm continuing with the CentOS 7. For the CentOS, there are various instance types like T1, T2 Nano, T2 Micro, and the related cost is there. But as Amazon is free for the 1 year, it will not going to charge you, and also it is the free tier eligible image. So continue with the CentOS. Now it will show you the your instance information, that is general purpose T2 micro, 1 CPU and the 1 GB memory. So it includes all your instance information. Click on launch. Click on launch. Now the most important thing is you have to choose the authentication pair. So click on create new key pair and name it as you want. I'm just giving name as knowledge modulation. Click on the download key pair because we want to use this key pair to log in our server. once we've done it. And now you can see a launch instance option is feasible. Click on launch instance. Finally our instance is ready. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. Just again go to the services, click on EC2 instances. Now you can see running instances is 1. Previously it is showing 0. Click on running instance. You can see our instance is ready. Status check is important. It's initializing, and when it comes to 2x2 check, it is totally ready. You can put a name, knowledge modulation. I'm just putting the name because it is easy to identify if you have lots of instances. And now status check is also 2x2 check, so instance is fully ready. Now one part is done, that is our instance is ready. Now we have to move to the another part. So we have to convert it first to ppk format. For that purpose we use the software puttigen. It will generate key for us. So just open the putty generation software and click on load. Choose the file which we recently downloaded, which is in pm format. Click on open, click on ok, and just click on save private key. Click on yes. Give a suitable name and keep it as safe place, because this key is very important to connect your server. So just give a suitable name. I'm just giving as a knowledge modulation AWS login, and click on save button. Also you can close this window for now, because whatever work with putty generation is done and my key is generated. So I'm just closing this. Now again you can open putty and you have to enter the public IP address. My public IP address is in this case I'm just copying this and I'm putting it to the, just copy and paste over here, and then go to the SSH authentication, and I have to enter this ppk format key. Once you choose the ppk file, just click on open, and it will ask for the login as. So by default for the CentOS image, the login name as a CentOS. So I'm just putting the CentOS, and it will verify your key, and then it will give you full access as a root. Now your instance is ready, your server is fully ready. If we are check the file system, df5nage, you will get the file systems directories over there. So you can do whatever you want to do now, because your server is fully ready. Whatever software you want to install here, you can install all the packages over there. Also if you want to host your website, you can also host the website, which we will see in the next video. So guys, if you like this video, please click on like, and also don't forget to share this video. If you want to know more about the technology, and if you want to wish to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel Knowledge Modulation. And thanks for watching this video. Keep watching.